leap year, is equal to 366 days, or it is equal to 8,784 hours, or it is equal to 5,27,040 minutes, or it is equal to 3,16,22,400 seconds. Hi friends, good morning. You are heartily welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Master Key of Success. In this video you are watching post-mortem of leap year in the world of infinite year calendar. Let's get into the video. Post-mortem of leap years in the world of infinite year calendar. Leap years, also called intercalary years, or bissextile years, or defective years. The leap year is a calendar year that contains an additional day or extra day or leap day or intercalary day or February 29th added in the month of February to keep the calendar year synchronized with seasonal year. The century is a period of 100 years, while a year ending in 00 that is divisible exactly by 100 is called century year, like 5100. For non-century years, any year that can be exactly divided by 4 called leap year. For example, 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032, 2036, 2040, etc. are leap years. Above definition of leap years for non-century years are valid for Julian calendar old style, before 1582 Gregorian calendar modern calendar, international calendar, after 1582 as well as for revised Julian calendar used by Greece. For century years, any year that can be exactly divided by 400 called leap year as per Gregorian calendar. For example, 1600, 2000, 2400, 2800, 3200, 3600, 4000, 4400, 4800, 5200, 5600, etc. are leap years. In the Gregorian calendar, the century ending in 00 which is exactly divided by 400 is a century leap year, for example, 2000. As per Gregorian calendar, 10th century starts on the year equals 100 multiplied by n-99 and nth century ends in the year equals 100 multiplied by n. Above definition of leap years for century years are valid for Gregorian calendar modern calendar, international calendar, after 1582. Leap years in the Western calendar were first introduced in 45 BC by Rome Julius Caesar. Leap day, the day that is added in leap year, is called intercalary day or leap day equals February 29th. People born on leap day the 29th February are called leaplings, leapers, leapsters and leap day babies. The odds of being born on February 29th are 1 in 1461, or 0.068%. That makes them a real minority, with only about 5 million leaplings in the whole world. Remind that presently we are using Gregorian calendar, which is known as modern calendar, international calendar, new style, adopted on October 15, 1582 Friday by dropping 10 days. For century year, as per revised Julian calendar used in Greece, the years exactly divisible by 100 are general years, except that years with remainders of 200 or 600 when divided by 900 remain leap years. As per Julian calendar old style, old calendar, before 1582 all centuries equals exactly divided by 100 are leap years equals 366 days. As per Gregorian calendar, all centuries are general years except every fourth century exactly divided by 400 is leap year. As per revised Julian calendar, all centuries are general years except every second century and sixth century out of 9 centuries. For example, 2000, 2400, 2900, 3300, 3800, 4200, 4700, 5100, 5600, etc. are leap years as per revised Julian calendar. In a leap year, the month of February has 29 days. 29th February, Leap Day, Intercalary Day. Leap year has 366 days, that is 52 weeks and 2 days. Leap year has 366 days in the form of 7n plus 2, where n equals 52 weeks, odd days equals 2. Odd days, or OD, the number of days in a given period, more than the complete weeks, are called odd days. In MS Excel, odd day equals mod total days, 7. In general, odd days are equal to remainders when the total number of days are divided by 7. A particular calendar repeats in a given period of years if and only if odd days equals 0, OD equals 0. Julian calendar old style OS, before 1582, completes its cycle at every 28 years or 700 years, OD equals 0. Gregorian calendar modern calendar, new style, NS, after 1582, completes its cycle at every 400 years, OD equals 0. Revised Julian calendar used in Greece completes its cycle at every 6300 years, OD equals 0. For any general year, first day of the year 1st January equals last day of the year 31th December. It means, if 1st January of a general year is Monday, then 31st December of the same general year will be always Monday. For example, if January 1st 2029 general year equals Monday, then December 31st 2029 general year equals Monday. Hence, January 1st equals December 31st, valid for all general years. For any leap year, last day of the year 31st December equals first day of the year 1st January plus 1. It means, if 1st January of a leap year is Monday, then 31st December of the same leap year will be always Tuesday, Monday plus 1. For example, if January 1st 2052 leap year equals Monday, then December 31st 2052 leap year equals Tuesday. Hence, January 1st plus 1 equals December 31st, valid for all leap years. When we move from one general year to subsequent general year, then year code YC is just increased by 1. It means, if the first day 1st January of a general year is Monday, then first day 1st January of the subsequent general year will be Tuesday, Monday plus 1. For example, if January 1st 2046 general year equals Monday, then January 1st 2047 general year equals Tuesday is general year to general year. Year code is increased by 1. When we move from one general year to subsequent leap year, then year code YC is just increased by 1. It means, if the first day 1st January of a general year is Monday, then first day 1st January of the subsequent leap year will be Tuesday, Monday plus 1. For example, if January 1st 2063 general year equals Monday, then January 1st 2064 leap year equals Tuesday is general year to leap year. Year code is increased by 1. When we move from one leap year to subsequent general year, then year code YC is just increased by 2. It means, if the first day 1st January of a leap year is Monday, then first day 1st January of the subsequent general year will be Wednesday, Monday plus 2. For example, if January 1st 2080 leap year equals Monday, then January 1st 2081 general year equals Wednesday leap year to general year. Year code is increased by 2. Leap year is greater than solar year by 0.7578125 day. That is 18 hours, 11 minutes and 45 seconds. Leap year is greater than general year by 1 day. That is 24 hours, or 1440 minutes, or and 86,400 seconds. Only 7 types of calendar is possible for general years, namely G0 equals Sun, G1 equals Monday, G2 equals Tuesday, G3 equals Wednesday, G4 equals Thursday, G5 equals Friday, G6 equals Saturday. That is, first day 1st January of the calendar for general years starts only with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Only 7 types of calendar is possible for leap years, namely L0 equals Sun, L1 equals Monday, L2 equals Tuesday, L3 equals Wednesday, L4 equals Thursday, L5 equals Friday, L6 equals Saturday. That is, first day 1st January of the calendar for leap years starts only with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. In the Julian calendar old style there are 21 general years and 7 leap years out of every 28 years. That is, in one complete cycle, OD equals 0. In the Julian calendar old style there are 525 general years and 175 leap years out of every 700 years. That is, in one complete cycle, OD equals 0. In the Julian calendar old style there are 300 general years and 100 leap years out of every 400 years. OD equals 3, not a cycle. In the Julian calendar old style the ratio of general years and leap years in the one complete cycle of 28 years is 3:1, 21:7, 75%:25%. In the Julian calendar old style the ratio of general years and leap years in the period of 400 years is 300:100, 75%:25%. OD equals 3, not a cycle. In the Julian calendar old style the ratio of general years and leap years in the period of 4 years is 3:1, 75%:25%. OD equals 5, not a cycle. In the Julian calendar old style the ratio of general years and leap years in the period of 700 years is 525:175, 75%:25%. In the Gregorian calendar new style there are 303 general years and 97 leap years out of every 400 years. That is, in one complete cycle, OD equals 0. In the Gregorian calendar new style the ratio of general years and leap years in the one complete cycle of 400 years is 303:97, 75.75%:24.25%. In the revised Julian calendar used by Greece there are 682 general years and 218 leap years out of every 900 years. OD equals 5, not a cycle. In the revised Julian calendar used by Greece there are 4770 for general years, and 1526 leap years, out of every 6300 years, that is, in one complete cycle OD equals 0. In the revised Julian calendar used by Greece the ratio of general years, and leap years, in the one complete cycle of 6300 years, is 4774:1526. 75.777%:24.222%. Calendar year is equal to the sum of days in a general year, that is, 365 days, to the result of division to total leap years in a complete cycle with total years in a complete cycle. Average Julian calendar year is equal to the sum of days in a general year, that is, 365 days to the result of division to total leap years in a complete cycle, that is, 7 years, with total number of the years in a complete cycle, that is, 28 years. Average Julian calendar year is equal to the sum of 365 days and 0.25 days. Average Julian calendar year is equal to the 365.25 days. Average Julian calendar year is equal to 365 days, 6 hours, 0 minute, and 0 second. Average Julian calendar year, for simplicity to calculate the error, is equal to 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds. Julian calendar year is greater than solar year by 0.0078125 day, that is, 0 hours, 11 minutes and 15 seconds. It is error of the Julian calendar. Average Gregorian calendar year is equal to the sum of days in a general year, that is, 365 days, to the result of division to total leap years in a complete cycle, that is 97 years, with total numbers of the years in a complete cycle, that is 400 years. Average Gregorian calendar year is equal to the sum of 365 days and 0.2425 days. Average Gregorian calendar year is equal to the 365.2425 days. Average Gregorian calendar year is equal to 365 days, 5 hours, 49 minutes, and 12 seconds. Gregorian calendar year is greater than solar year by 0.00033125 day, that is, 0 hours, 0 minute and 27 seconds. It is error of Gregorian calendar. Average revised Julian calendar year is equal to the sum of days in a general year, that is, 365 days, to the result of division to total leap years in a complete cycle, that is 1526 years, with total numbers of the years in a complete cycle, that is 6300 years. Average revised Julian calendar year is equal to the sum of 365 days and 0.2422 days. Average revised Julian calendar year is equal to the 365.2422 days. Average revised Julian calendar year is equal to 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 47.9999 seconds. Revised Julian calendar year is greater than solar year by 0.000034722 date, that is, 0 hours, 0 minute and 2.9999 seconds. It is error of the revised Julian calendar. Leap year is equal to 366 days. Leap year is equal to 366 days. Leap year is equal to 8,784 hours. Leap year is equal to 8,784 hours. Leap year is equal to 5,27,040 minutes. Leap year is equal to 5,27,040 minutes. Leap year is equal to 3,16,22,400 seconds. Leap year is equal to 3,16,22,400 seconds. Leap year is equal to 366 days, or it is equal to 8,784 hours, or it is equal to 5,27,040 minutes, or it is equal to 3,16,22,400 seconds. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share it to help other on social media.